in this video, I'm going to quickly talk about how to set up guides for a document that is 9 inches by 9 inches. So first we need to go to New File. And from New File, we're going to go to over to the right where it says the width and the height for this presets. And I'm going to make sure I'm in inches and not pixels. And I'm going to type in a 9 and a 9. Now, personally, I like to use 300 for my resolution for everything, but you can dummy this down some if you want to like 150. And then from there, I can actually go in and I give it a name if I want to. So I'm going to call this just simple 9 by 9 for now. And then I'm going to say create. So once I've created this, I'm now going to go up to view. And from view, I'm going to go in and say I need to create a guide. So you'll notice at first there's nothing here as far as rulers are concerned. So I'm going to do a Control R, which will turn on my rulers. And right now it's in pixels. So I'm going to right mouse click on that ruler bar and say inches. And there's a reason why I do this, which will become apparent later. So then I'm going to go to view, guides, new guide, and I'm going to divide this evenly. So since I know it's 9 inches, I'm going to break it into 3 vertical and 3 horizontal. I'm going to do a 3-inch. So all I have to do is type a 3 for this because I changed it to inches already. If I had done pixels, I'd have to do 3 space IN. So once I've done that, I've got this. And then I'm going to come back and do this 3 more times. And then I'm going to come over here and say new guide, 6 inches. And I'm going to do this again with view, guides, new guide, but this time I'm going to do horizontal, and I'm going to change this from the cyan just to a different color to show you that you can do this. So let's change it to red, and I'm going to type this in as 3. And then I'm going to do the same thing here. So you don't have to do this. You can make them all the same color. It's really up to you. But guides, new guide, and 6. So one last thing I want to do to make sure I don't end up moving these arbitrarily, because if I hover over them right now, and while I'm actually on the move tool, you will see that it changes the icon. I can actually move this by dragging it, and I don't want to do that. So I'm going to go one more time up to view, guides, and I'm going to say lock the guides. Now there is a keybind for that, but it's probably just easier to go here and do this. And now what ends up happening is I can't move this around. And so that's just a quick way to make guides and set them up. And now each one of these are 3 by 3, and you can actually utilize that to place items in there and kind of line things up and breaks things into sections. So think of it as a tic-tac-toe. Hope this helps. See you next time.